What if you could bring the beauty of the night sky inside or enjoy the northern lights without leaving your house? Introducing the Northern Sky Brite from JML, the galaxy projector that fills your walls and ceiling with breathtaking stars, moons, nebulas and clouds. With 9 different lighting patterns and 3 color options. You can choose a style that's perfect for drifting to sleep under rolling clouds and breathtaking stars, setting the mood on movie night, or elevating the decor at your next party with auto-cycle mode for a show your friends will never forget. You can even choose from 3 brightness levels, making it a perfect bedtime light for the kids' room. Flood your home with a relaxing cosmic glow with Northern Sky Brite for the amazing price of $39.99. If you're not completely satisfied, simply send it back thanks to JML's 30-day money-back guarantee. This offer is not available in stores, so call or go online now. Northern Sky Brite's clever design combines dual projection lenses that are strong enough to reach even the highest ceilings. You can also choose from 5 different angle positions, so you can set the projection exactly where you want it. Plus, it's rechargeable, so you can take the stars virtually anywhere.
My daughter gets so excited every night just to choose the different star patterns and colors. Northern Sky Brite has officially become part of the bedtime routine in our house.
Flood your home with a relaxing cosmic glow with Northern Sky Brite for the amazing price of $39.99. If you're not completely satisfied, simply send it back thanks to JML's 30-day money-back guarantee. This offer is not available in stores, so call or go online now. Add ambiance to your workout studio, game rooms, outdoor spaces, caravans and motorhomes, and more. Bring the breathtaking beauty of the night sky into your home today with Northern Sky Brite.
It's very relaxing. Helps us fall asleep at night. I think just watching the clouds and the stars roll by at night, very comforting.
Transform your place with the wonders of space with your very own Northern Sky Brite from JML. Transforming your children's bedrooms into the perfect picturesque scene is easy and affordable thanks to Northern Sky Brite, the incredible galaxy projector. Choose from 9 different lighting patterns, from cosmic stars and nebulas to rolling clouds that envelop the walls and furniture with relaxing color and life. And with 3 color settings and 3 brightness settings, you can adjust Northern Sky Brite to make sure you achieve the perfect ambience. And the built-in auto-cycle mode lets you jump through all the lighting patterns, creating a wonderful display you and your family will love. Plus, it's rechargeable, so you can take the stars with you. Get the Northern Sky Brite for the amazing price of only $39.99. If you're not completely satisfied, simply send it back for a refund, thanks to JML's 30-day money-back guarantee. This offer is not available in stores, so call or go online now and transform your place with the wonders of space with Northern Sky Brite from JML.